Hey there, welcome to the second video on Bitclout series. Here in this video, we'll be seeing the current issues that we are facing with Web 2.0 social media platforms. The current versions of LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp or whatever. And also by the end of this video, we'll also be coming to a picture on why is there a need for a blockchain based social media platforms. So here in this video, I have listed some of the issues that are associated with the current social media platforms. In case if you feel if I might have missed something, please feel free to add in the comment section of this video. So the first thing to start with is the data hacks. This is something that are happening almost every week. Even the last week we have heard of a major data hack that is happened on MobiKwik, where terabytes of data of customers has been leaked and sold onto dark web. Even in LinkedIn is a victim of this particular data hack. Like if you see the last time and the recent ones are on Zoom, even the Facebook and WhatsApp for n number of times, right? So all these data hacks are happening due to data being stored at centralized locations. No matter the encryption facilities you are using, no matter the cloud computing or cloud storage technologies that we are using to store this particular data, still the data hacks are happening due to the centralized nature of preserving the data. The second one is denial of service attacks. This refers to a scenario where we will not be able to access the websites at all. Like the links might be broken, or we can see the error like not found, HTTP something not found. Yeah. So this is happening sometimes intentionally or sometimes even unintentionally, where a huge number of requests are flowing to a single server or the single database. Due to that volume handling issues, this particular servers break and the communications lines break and it says server can't found. Yeah. And this is also happening too often with some of the banking servers as well. And the third thing and the most important thing is no privacy at all. We are no more the data owners to our own data. We are simply the data givers, and the companies who are maintaining these particular servers or the data sellers, and they are simply making profits out of our data. Well, with all this happening, we can say that privacy is dead, privacy is no more. But the ideal situation should be you should be paid for the data you possess. You should be paid for the data you are giving to these particular resources or these particular social media platforms. Well, is it something happening in the Bitclout? Well, in a few videos we'll be seeing this how happening in the Bitclout and how it is also happening. Yeah. So moving on to the next issue is the security aspect. Whatever information that we deal in the internet, whatever information that we enter into the internet is being shared. Like today, if I search about some say bank loan, I'll be getting a call from insurance company. If I search regarding my vehicle insurance, I'll be getting a call from a property manager, cause whatever data that I'm inputting in so and so website is being shared to all the other websites. Yeah. And the next thing is absolutely we are not being paid any rewards. A lot of us are creating more and more value addition into these platforms, say LinkedIn or even Twitter or even for that matter Facebook. We are all giving out our views, writing blogs, involving in we all are creating more value addition by creating blogs, expressing our views on these social media platforms, and we are being paid nothing. But imagine what if you are being paid for the value you create. Is it something happening with the Bitclout? The answer is yes. We'll be seeing in the next video how these rewards are structured in the Bitclout platform. And the next thing is the data sellers. So all these particular companies that are hosting these servers or maintaining these databases have become data sellers. Instead of protecting our data with utmost care and controls, they're simply selling it off and making money out of it. And the last issue and the most common issue is the latency. This refers to a situation where we'll not be able to access any data from the server to and fro. Like the recent one I remember happened with the WhatsApp 10 days back. where we are not able to see the profile pictures, we are not able to send or receive any kind of WhatsApp messages. All we are doing is switching on, switching off our mobile data and restarting our mobile devices, thinking that something problem in our mobile devices. Is it right? Well, so all these are the issues that we are currently facing with the centralized databases and the current social media platforms that are hosted on these centralized databases. To address all these, where you will be the owner or you will be the where you will be the owner for your data, you will be paid for the value that you are going to create, and you are hosting all and you are interacting with these platforms which are hosted on or distributed ledger technologies. Well, all these issues are being addressed by this Bitclout, which is a blockchain based social media platform. How they are doing is something that we'll be seeing in the subsequent videos. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please do share to your fintech communities. Thank you.